Welcome back to Planet Psych. Today we're going to discuss 7 psychological tips that always work. What we are about to share in this very brief video will help you to use some effective psychology tips and tricks to make certain things in your life a little bit simpler. Hopefully you'll be able to help yourself and others, but don't go overboard. Okay, here we go. 7 psychological tricks that always work. Number 1. The IKEA effect. It's normal for people to feel proud of the things that they made with their own hands, regardless of the quality of their work. In fact, we naturally value things we make more than gifts people give us. Do you want someone to be more invested in one of your hobbies or projects? Try and involve them in the creative process and share the task with them. If they have a say in how the task is done, and if they help you to work towards it, it is likely that they'll care about it and want to stick around for another task. Okay, are you ready for the next point? But first, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. We post videos almost every day on all things related to practical psychology, understanding the human mind, improving mental health, and becoming free from behavioral patterns. Number 2. Conditioning language. Want to help boost your friend's vocabulary? Whenever they use a newly learned word or phrase, try and validate them through nodding, smiling, or even laughing. Just make sure you don't overdo it though. Using these behaviors as rewards will subconsciously make them start using those phrases more often. Number 3. Ask for more than you need. Most people enter into some kind of negotiation every now and then. It could be to negotiate your salary at a new job, or negotiate a deal in order to make a sale. In order to get paid the amount you want, it may help to ask for a figure much higher than that. You're likely to have your first bid rejected, which is fine. What you can then do is lower the initial amount to the amount you were always looking for. Lowering the high fee makes the customer or employer likely to grant your new request because it's less than your initial request. They feel like they got a bargain, and you got exactly what you wanted. Number 4. Motivation through compartmentalisation. If you're finding it difficult to motivate your team, it may be because of the way you present their tasks to them. Handing them the entire project from the beginning can be very overwhelming, so try dividing it up into smaller chunks from the start. If you use this technique, you may find that even the laziest members start getting more work done over time. This can also be used to encourage members who are insecure or intimidated by their workloads. Splitting their project into smaller tasks should make them feel more encouraged and motivated. Most people find the next few techniques really useful. Let's see what you think. Number 5. Listen to be heard. Do you find that people often don't take your opinion seriously, or that they tend to talk over you while you're saying something? It might be because they don't feel heard by you. If they think that you don't listen to what they have to say, they probably won't respect what you have to say. While a friend is talking to you, start to practice responsive listening techniques. Say things like, "That's a good point," or "I hear what you're saying." If you show that you're invested in their opinions, it's likely they'll be invested in yours. This can kickstart some amazing conversations. Number 6. The power of high expectations. You can boost a colleague's performance by simply explaining that you have high expectations of them. It also helps to remark on how much you enjoyed their previous work and how you'd like to see what they do next. Having high expectations alone can make people feel pressured or anxious, but pairing it as encouragement will likely see their efforts and the quality of their work improve drastically. Number 7. The modality effect. If you want people to remember something important, keep it to the end of your presentation. According to the modality effect, people have increased focus at the end of presentations, speeches, or lists. This is only the case for verbal language though. Unlike a book or written list, people can't go back and reread the things you say to them verbally. It may be best to save crucial information for last. And that's a good point to end this list on, don't you think? Share any of your own tips with the Planet Psych community in the comment section below. If you know someone you think will enjoy this video, please share it with them. It really helps us out. Here at Planet Psych, we post videos almost every day on all things related to practical psychology, understanding the human mind, improving mental health, and becoming free from behavioral patterns. Just a reminder, we're having a free giveaway at each channel milestone every month as we grow. We're giving away the brand new latest Kindle Paperwhite from Amazon. All you have to do is be a subscriber and turn on all notifications, leave a like, and comment about anything related to this video. The winner will be picked at random and announced in a future video. Thanks for watching Planet Psych. See you tomorrow.